Next, we need to create an explosion costume for the spaceship. In real life, an explosion starts out as a tiny spark that blooms into a huge fire. We can simulate this by creating a costume of a small star-shaped fire that we animate by quickly changing its size. To start, click the Costumes tab. Hover over the Choose a Costume icon and select Paint. Add a costume that looks like a small star-shaped fire. And then name it by entering Explosion in the costume oval. Click on the Rocketship E costume to set it as the default costume. Now let's animate the explosion by using the code part shown to do the following. Check if isExplodeSent equals yes, then switch the Rocketship Sprite costume to Explosion, set the size to 20%, change the size by 10% until the size equals 100%. And after the size equals 100%, hide the spaceship. Pause the video now to try it on your own or let it play to see the solution. Next, add this code to the Rocket Flame animation thread. Also, add a bit of code to the initialization thread and restart sequence thread to show the Rocketship sprite and set the size of the Rocketship sprite to 30%. Now press the flag button to try it. What's wrong? Now when we push the thrust button, the explosion costume shows up. Can you figure out how to fix this? Pause the video now to try it on your own or let it play to see the solution. Now press the flag button to try it. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.